Do you know that there are several furniture and decorative pieces you can make from old tires? You can get creative with several DIY tire projects. DIY projects are always easy and cheap. It only requires creativity and a few supplies and tools, and many such projects often use old and recycled items. Tires are very durable items that can never miss in our garages. If you have been doing nothing with your dirty old tires and bicycle wheels, now you have a lot to do with them. From kids' play areas to outdoor and indoor spaces, old tires can be repurposed into some creative, unique, and perfect projects. In most of these projects, no one will even believe you used an old tire. With a few DIY instructions and steps, you can achieve gorgeous items ranging from playing, lighting, gardening, seating, and storage items, among many more. These are some of the best homemade used tire ideas projects that will help you save money by simply making what you need. There are many variations of homemade tire projects and an endless supply of different things you can make with old tires. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of recycled tire decorative pieces ideas for your home and garden decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. You can turn an old tire into toy shelves. Do you have an extra old tire in your garage? Use it to teach your kids to be well disciplined and more organized even in their play areas by adding a fantastic and wonderful tire shelf for toys. Once you add this rack in their room or playgrounds, kids will automatically be motivated to reasonably put all their toys on their beautiful tire shelf. It is one of the handmade tire projects that is super easy with a few plywood sheet boards. You will also need an exterior paint of your choice, nuts, bolts, wood screws, and a screwdriver to make this excellent toy shelf. It does not cost much to put together and make this cool and unique storage solution. Another popular project is a DIY tire rope ottoman seat. A rope-wrapped ottoman looks like it was bought in an expensive fancy store. No one can believe that it was handmade using an old dirty tire. Craft an ottoman seat for a more indoor stylish look in just a few hours. You only need a few supplies to make this perfect and stylish addition to your home. You can make it with an old tire, a rope, some glue, a board, and wooden stands. Clean the tire and then fit a round panel on the top. Go round the entire tire with the rope using glue and then finish off by fixing the stands. Add a few pillows to make it cozy. Embrace your inner ninja and build a lovely tire obstacle course in your yard for the kids. You can give your kids a great and fun-filled play area and also create an obstacle course at the same time by simply repurposing your old tires. Using used tires, you will have a beautiful and unique obstacle course in a few hours. You may choose as many tires as you want, depending on the size of the obstacle course you want. To determine the number of tires to use, determine the size of the obstacle course beforehand. First, clean the tires and then paint them with different colors to make them more colorful. Once the paint dries, affix the tires on the porch or deck so that it is safe when the children run through. You can arrange the colored tires so your kids can crawl through, jump over, or climb the tires. One of the best schoolyard games has always been tetherball. Are you thinking of bringing these fun games home with spending some more cash? Consider a DIY budget-friendly project. You can creatively convert old and used tires into this fun family project. A distinctive tetherball set only takes about an hour to assemble everything and roughly a day for drying, and then you are done with your project. Besides providing fun for your kids, this DIY idea is also a perfect addition to your outdoor space. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked collection of recycled tire decorative pieces ideas for your home and garden decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.